Hello, this is Tony. In today's video, I'm going to talk about grow lights and the reason why I need them even though I live in a tropical country. You see, when I did my home renovation, I failed to consider the direction of the sun and environment. And with the concrete extended roof, it is just too far for the light to reach in. You'll understand better if you happen to watch my home tour video. The porch is generally dark without artificial light. So the plants that require bright indirect sun turns out to be unhealthy and leggy. I started off with this purple LED grow lights that I bought online. It gives this horrendous purple hue on the plants. Let's face it, you want plants because you want to see its proper color. Not to mention, I have doubts on the effectiveness of these lights. Then I tried my hands on a proper grow light, the Sensi 15W full spectrum grow light. I set up a corner indoors and tried it on. It uses regular E27 bulb socket and gives a very warm white color on the plants, which is good. Since then, my monsteras that have been dormant for months have started to give new leaf every 3 to 4 weeks for 4 consecutive months. Not to mention that some leaves have finally shown its fenestration. I also use this app called Photon to measure the light intensity using the phone's front-facing camera. Anything that is above 100 ppfd is considered very good, given the fact that these are artificial lighting. You can also use lux as a way to gauge. I generally keep them between 3000 to 10,000 lux. I measure them by putting the phone on the top few leaves of the plant and then get the average reading of it. While it is not as accurate as a proper light meter, it gives you a rough idea whether the area is bright enough for your plant. I have this timer switch socket that controls the lights, which turns on for 8 to 10 hours to supplement light for the plants in the porch. The first section here is the makeshift grow lights using T5 LED lights and a single E27 light pendant. The light pendant has a regular LED bulb and is being held on with binder clips on the leftover stick of my plant rack. As for the LED light strips, these are regular 4000K temperature T5 LED lights connected together. The diffuser layer of the lights are removed to give it a greater light intensity. All these are looped together on each level of the rack, being held together with zip ties. Meanwhile, on the other side, I have these two clip-on light holders. These are proper grow lights by Sensi, rated at 15 watts, full spectrum LED grow lights. They are connected with a power extension cord and I tidy up the cable with stick-on cable clips going back to the power outlet. As for the indoor, I have this giant Sensi 24 watts LED grow light. Attached to this IKEA lamp on the shelf, controlled with a smart plug on schedule. It turns on 7 AM in the morning till noon, rests for an hour and turns back on from 1 PM till 7 PM, which gets about 11 hours of light. Definitely nothing beats the power of the sun, but under the given circumstances, this is the best solution for me. I hope this brings you some ideas about grow lights. Until next time, bye!